They won the first national Agen yearbirds, and normally, without any discussion, the first international yearbirds on a flight of 787 kilometers with a velocity of 1,350 meters per minute. It's a very nice cock named Turbo Cyriel. The same name, Cyriel, as the grandson of Gino. It was his first basket pigeon, so it was not really a surprise that he was early, but it is a surprise that he flew the first national and international. From origin, on father's side, it are the old clicker strange. And on mother's side, it's the strains of Erik Vermanderen and the Noël Lippens pigeons. It's a middle-sized cock with a very strong eye, very good wing, and he is in a very good condition.
It's a very nervous one.
Congratulations to the whole Clique family for this superb victory on the international race of Agen.